Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jason, and in this video I will be doing two unboxings. The subscription boxes are two completely different things. One will be cosmetic boxing, beauty box from Lip Monthly. I finally got my Lip Monthly. And then the other box will be from a company called Awakening in a Box, which is like crystals, gemstones, spirituality kind of thing. So if one or both of those spark your interest, then keep watching. Hello everybody, welcome back again. My name is Jason, and in the teaser you saw that this is going to be an unboxing video. I will be unboxing two completely separate different subscription boxes. And one will be a beauty subscription and the other one is more of like a spirituality subscription. So I did film this already once and didn't realize that in the middle of filming it I'd forgot to put on my do not disturb, and I got a phone call and I kept filming and realized when I got to the end that it had stopped filming and I felt like an idiot. So this is my second time filming, so if you already see the swatches on my hand, that is why. So let's go ahead and start first with the beauty subscription. This is from Lip Monthly, and let me turn that on so I can get the price for you. Now, Lip Monthly, if you were to get a month-to-month subscription, it is $12.95 month to month, and it's for 4 full-size products. And I happened to pay for 3 months up front, so it gave me a slight discount. Actually, it gave me a little more than a discount because at the time there was a special where I only had to pay for 2 of the months, so I basically got a month free. I don't know if they are continuing with that or not, but if you just go to Lip Monthly website, you can look that up. I will link that below in the description box. So the Lip Monthly box came in just a plastic or cardboard mailer, and it was actually just stuffed into my mailbox. Got a little bent, but it didn't damage any of the products. So if I were to go into the box, there is a card in here, and here's what the card looks like. And on the back, it just gives a little introduction to the company, and it features one of the items that is in the box. Okay, so I don't know the amount of the other items. I'll have to look those up and put them in the description below, but at least I know one of the items in here. So let's go ahead and start with that one since that's what I know. All right, so this is a bullet lipstick from CAB, K-A-B. I have never heard of this company before. So it's a bullet lipstick in the shade of Strawberry Frosting. Strawberry Frosting. Okay, and it looks like this. So it's a very neutral tone. And I did already swatch this. So the swatch is actually this top shade here. And that's the Strawberry Frosting. So I will give that a try. That is, it retails for $18. So CAB Cosmetics Bullet Lipstick. It's in Strawberry Frosting and it retails for $18. So already that pays for the bag because the bag is $12.95. So next thing in the bag is, looks like a lip gloss from Steve Laurant. And it looks like this. You can actually see the doe foot applicator through it, so that's how I knew right away it was just a gloss. So, and this has a really, really nice scent to it. It smells a lot like Island Tropics suntan lotion. It's got that very tropical, like coconutty scent to it, so I like that smell. I will look up the retail price for that and put it in the description box below. Next item in the pouch, I say pouch because it all came in this little velvet drawstring pouch. And the next item is from Estate. This is in the shade Ash. I'm not quite sure, to be honest, whether it's a lip stain, liquid eyeshadow. If it is a lip stain or lip stick, it's a very unusual color. It's like a gray, it's ash. So let's see, we'll put that. All right, well, yeah, it goes, it's a little bit, what is it, the word opaque, so you can kind of see through it a little bit. I think that's the word, but yeah, so you can see that it's down there. That is the ash color. Again, I'm not quite sure if it's a liquid eyeshadow or a lip stain. I'll look it up, but if you happen to know, you've used this before, put it in the comments below to let me know. So there's that one. Again, I'll look up the retail value. And the fourth and final item is, it looks like it's actually an eyeshadow. It's from Bang Beauty. Bang Beauty. Okay, and let's open this up. And I'll show you what the product looks like. Come on, there we go. I tell you, with this colder weather coming, my arthritis is getting really bad. Bang Beauty. So, oops, there we go. And this is in the shade Toasted. Toasted. I did swatch this already, and this Toasted is this color here. And again, it was buildable. I had to put a few swipes for it to even look like that. So it's not very pigmented, which is good though. It's very neutral or earth toned for me, so. But that will do it for the Lip Monthly. Once again, the Lip Monthly subscription is $12.95 per month. You get a little bit of a discount if you pay for a certain number of boxes up front. I did the 3 boxes and ended up getting 1 month free, so. I think you got your money's worth for this. Honestly, I'm not positive if I'm going to keep it or not. We'll see. But I'm not really disappointed with this one. I'm just not really excited about it either. So anyway, moving on to the other box. Now we're shifting from the beauty realm into more of the spirituality realm. This is from a company called Awakening in a Box. Let me pull up theirs. Now, Awakening in a Box is $13.33 per month, and each month has a different theme. So this is the September box, I believe. I'll know when I open it up. But it comes in this small box like this. So I was kind of surprised when it came and it was so small. If you open it up, there is this nice little card in here with some nice artwork on it. And on the back of the card, it talks about some of the items and the theme of the box. So this is, yeah, it doesn't say whether this is September or not. I'm just going to assume since it's September and I got it in September. So anyway, note from the curator. Welcome to the Ancient Wisdom Awakening box. So the theme for this month was Ancient Wisdom. This box contains 3 crystals or minerals that help you connect to crystals and spirits that hold ancient wisdom. The retail value for the stones this month is $9.50. Use these stones in meditation to connect to those that would like to share knowledge through your crown chakra. Also in your box is a beautiful Tree of Life altar cloth tapestry for your sacred space, which is a $5 value. And being that I shot this video once already, I did look through the box and there is no altar cloth. So I'm gonna shoot an email to the company and ask what's happening with that. But that would have been a $5 retail value. Um, we have also included one card reading from the Buddha Wisdom deck, which is a retail value of $3.50. Sorry if you hear meow in the background, my cat's meowing at the door. And this uh, this Buddha Wisdom deck, this is the card that they gave me. And on the back of the card, it just has like an affirmation. This one says, endure harsh words, for many people speak wildly, endure hard words in peace. So I'm just kind of reevaluating my spiritual journey. Years and years and years ago, I studied Wicca and really kind of got into that, but I didn't really practice. I wasn't really a practicing witch. So I have really not subscribed to any spirituality for a while now. And I still wouldn't say that I could define what I am, because I really just take things from different places and tailor it to what I feel that I need. So if you're asked if I'm, Wiccan, or if I'm Christian, or if I'm Buddhist, I'm kind of all of them, just because I take little bits from here and there and then make it fit for what I want it to do. So, but I'm still growing. So there's that card. And then, let's see, that was $3.50. I don't know if, I'm assuming the whole deck would be $3.50. It says, we are so excited to be including the beautiful artwork of Aubrey Moyer in the form of an exclusive Buddha acrylic pin, retail value of $4. This is the Buddha pin. It's cute. This pin was created specifically for Awakening in a Box. Allow the pin to be a reminder of the Buddha Wisdom card reading you received. Follow us. Okay, this is just follow us on Facebook and all that kind of stuff. So that's what the card says. The item that they didn't talk about in the card, so I don't know if this is what they replaced the altar cloth with, but I got this nice bracelet. And this is what the bracelet looks like. The little Buddha down there. And the stones in here are carnelian and black onyx. So I'm not really sure what either of those stones represent, so I'll have to look that up. But I like the bracelet. This is something that I would wear. I kind of feel like it can be worn by men and women, whatever gender identity or non-conforming gender. There's so many terms now to be aware of that I just can't keep it all straight in my mind. But however you identify, I feel that this bracelet would work for you. Then we have this pouch. In the pouch are the stones. And they give you a little card with an affirmation for each stone. So in this box, we got labradorite, we've got stromatolite, and petrified wood. So let's pull those out. And they look like they're polished stones. So this here is the labradorite. All right, and then we've got the stromatolite. This one's kind of heavy. And we've got the petrified wood. Now I'm not going to take up more of your time by reading the cards, but it does indicate what you might be able to channel through these through these stones. So that's good. I had bought stones in the past, but really didn't know what I was needing, looking for. So I don't know. We'll see what this brings. Now I believe with this company as well, I think I did a package where I had bought like 2 or 3 months at a time. So again, it's $13.33 month to month. And each month is going to be a different theme. I really had no idea what to expect with this box, so I guess I'm neither disappointed nor excited about it at this point. We'll see what next month brings, and I can reevaluate then. But those are the 2 boxes that I was going to unbox for you. Before I go, for those of you that watched my makeup haul with heart video, I talked about getting a collection from Besame Beauty, and it was the I Love Lucy collection, which I absolutely loved. I did have the eyeshadow palette, and I had the powder, packed powder. But I had pre-ordered one of the lipsticks, and the lipstick actually came today. So this is the lipstick, and if we open this up, it's a cute little bullet with Lucy's mug on there. It's got the fake little diamonds. And this color is What a Peach. So, let's see here. Doesn't look real peachy to me. I can see like an orange undertone to it, but let's see how it swatches. Yeah, that's not swatching very peachy to me either, so that's that right there. I did like the way it went on though. It feels very creamy, but that doesn't look in the peach family to me. It doesn't matter, I still like it. I still will probably use it because it's I Love Lucy. So I'm happy to finally get that. All right, it looks like that'll do it for me today. Thank you for tuning in. And I still am expecting my Tamed Wild box this month. So as soon as I get that, I'll do the filming and I'll upload that for you. But do me a favor, please make sure that you're liking and subscribing to my videos. I'm really trying to grow this channel. I'm having a lot of fun making these videos. So you'd be doing me a huge favor. Thank you so much. And I just want to say to everybody, stay healthy, stay safe, be happy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.